How to fix Huawei mobile phone hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and then click on more connections. So you go back and click on mobile network, and here you can see the option personal hotspot. Now click on it, and here you can turn on or off your hotspot. After turning on your hotspot, then go back and check your internet connection will works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then scroll down in last and click on system and updates, and then click on reset and reset all settings, and again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.